Welcome to HappyAddons. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the multi-scroll widget of HappyAddons. It allows you to create split screen sections for beautifully showcasing your content. But for this, you need to install the plugins Elementor, HappyAddons, and HappyAddons Pro on your website. Once they are installed, open a page with Elementor and drag the multi-scroll widget to the Elementor canvas. By default, the widget comes with 3 sections. Each section lets you add content in 2 ways, editor and template. The editor option allows you to write text, set heading type or paragraph, select bullet points, add link, change text color, alter alignment, and add image. By switching to the template option, you can display any ready-made template. To edit any template, just click the Edit Template button. The template will open in a separate canvas. Make changes and save it. Scrolling down a bit, write a menu title, tooltip, and anchor text for the section. In the same way, complete the second section. You can even use editor for one side and template for the other. Let's do it in the third section. When adding content is done, open the Settings tab. From there, you can change the width of the split sections. You can choose the navigation type, whether dots or menus. After that, you can enable or disable the dots tooltip, change the dots position, change the dots vertical position, and set the scroll speed value. Now come to the Style tab. You can customize the left section, right section, and dots separately. If you have used text editor, you can change its background color, text color, typography, content position, and padding. But remember that most of these options won't work in the case of templates. Next, open the dots section. You can customize its size, padding, border radius, dots background color, dots color, tooltip, typography, and more. Finally, come to Advanced tab. You can customize the layout margin, padding, width, position, order, and z-index. When everything is done, preview the page if everything works fine or not. Thus, you can use the multi-scroll widget of HappyAddon and create stunning content on your website. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to us